Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Me
and AJ
is about to do a tacky challenge. So basically we was having a race a minute ago.
Well, basically we already ate half of the takis.
A little bit. Not that lot.
No, we ate a lot.
We eat a lot of takis. Look at my tongue. Look at his tongue. All black and red, and we ate a rotten one and we spit it out. Look at this. This is gross. And then my cousin has spit it out over here on the wall. Right there. Ew. So this is him. So we'll show you when we get to the channel. So yeah, bye. I mean, actually, we can do a race. So it says who's faster, who'll be in the race. So we're gonna go around the house, cause we are around my house, and this is my cousin. I think I told y'all this before. So okay, come on, AJ. Come on, AJ. Wait. He said wait. So. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. The phone fell.
Sorry, guys, but we're gonna have to end the video right here. It's really a short video because my phone is going dead.
It is? Mm-hmm. Well, let's try to do the race quick.